This is a 6-day update on the Manucurist Green Active Glow. So basically it should be called pink tint or something because it doesn't really have a glow, but it does have a very nice pink tint that actually lasted very well for the 6 days that my mom was wearing it. I removed it with just a regular nail polish remover. This was not a pure acetone. It was just a regular nail polish remover. And this is the routine that I normally recommend. As a general rule, for some people, it's going to be more. For some people, it might be less. But as a general rule, I do recommend wearing nail polish for not more than 5 to 6 days, and then taking the polish off, applying some sort of treatment, polish-free treatment, depending on the condition of your nails. Maybe doing warm jojoba soak, giving the nails 1 to 2 days without nail polish, doing a manicure in that time, maybe reapplying the treatment the next day, and then doing a manicure and repolishing your nails if you choose to, if you like wearing nail polish all the time. I find generally this really prevents surface damage. Now, if you have extensive surface damage, then in my opinion, the best way of going about it is to actually not wear nail polish until the damage grows out, and then maintaining the way I show people how to do it here. Because if you are wearing nail polish, it's almost like even though you are doing all these treatments and the day or two without polish, you're going 2 steps forward and 2 steps back. So in this case, I used the OPI repair mode. I used 2 coats. The next day, I will reapply, so I will do the 2 coats again. And why am I choosing to use 2 coats? It's just because they recommend as a maintenance to use it every day. But because my mom is wearing nail polish for 5-6 days, then doing a couple coats one day, couple coats the other day, I think it's good. Now, after 10 minutes, it is important to wait 10 minutes for the treatment to kind of do its magic. I recommend applying oil and then applying oil after just 1 drop. As you can see here, I'm not using a lot of oil. I'm just using small amount of oil, just rubbing it in. You can then just rub it into your hands and just tiniest amount of lotion, and doing that every time you wash your hands, it makes incredible difference in how your nails and the skin around your nails is. I also do recommend, I just started talking about it lately, using a very gentle cleanser for your hands. I'm going to leave you a link of my absolutely favorite cleanser right now in the description below. So what do you think about this polish?